Again, today we're at Ravenshead Airsoft, based in Nottinghamshire. It's one of the best bang for the buck sites you can go to around Nottingham, as it's 30 quid to bring your own gun, and you get like a full dinner. You get like a cob, a snack like a chocolate bar, a packet of crisps, and 2 drinks, like 2 canned drinks for 30 quid. It is set in a proper woodland area, and it's you think, oh, it's going to be big open. No, Ravenshead Airsoft, it provides a lot of QCB scenarios, but there's a lot of foliage. So you can go ghillie, you can go snipe. There's loads of different. It's a big wide game. It's the best of both worlds in my opinion. Takumi MP7. So I'm running it with a flashlight tracer unit. How you won't really see that in the day. HBA adapter, dead easy, and my 3x scope that I have taken off. First round, we are doing a push and defense. My team is pushing, and we have to push village. We have unlimited respawns. They do not. They have one respawn, then they push back.
And also we've got to stay when we start.
Yeah, when we shoot round, you'll be
Do you want to go behind them, Connor?
I'm getting gaming.
Are you timing this down?
Get some back shots in.
Cheeky back shots.
We go round at the top, use the centre advantage, so you're right to the far end, which is left.
Huh? The sun is fucking blinded today. Reckon this counts as semi? Technically it counts.
No, it does not count as semi.
Oh, technically.
Gas blowback is so annoying stuff.
You ready?
Chris, we're going to go all the way round.
3,
Go from A
2, 1, game on!
I'm winging it. Ooh. So basically what I'm doing now, I'm seeing if I can see an enemy, so you can get a cheeky flank on the village. Alright, no one can see me. Pushing down there and kill them all. Hit, nice one. Oh, you bastard! And this, folks, is why you always buy a fucking lens
Smash my
protector.
sight.
It does not matter how ugly they look. Just get one, trust me.
Knew it. Oh, fuck off. I can still use it.
You get it?
What?
You get it?
No.
So what you gotta do?
What?
What you gotta do? Just get in.
Buy another one.
Oh, that's full.
Hey, it is what it is. Yeah, I couldn't find a lens protector that could fit it. Go on then, Thomas. Oh, fuck me. Yellow. Nice.
Get man.
Bastard. Respawn.
Hit, shot.
Pushing. Oh, shot. Sit there. Okay. Hit!
I just need to add this. That guy who just barely missed my head, I tell you back, he got my pinky. He shot one bullet and hit my pinky. Whoever the fuck you were, you are absolutely cracked at Airsoft. It scares me. Get ready for this amazing kill. Honestly, one of the best ones I've ever had. Unlucky bear gets caught in the crossfire. I kind of feel bad. But I'll give him one thing. He joined the game and absolutely thrashed everyone at the end. Killed every single people. Killed enemies. Even killed his teammates. He's one of the best players going, honestly. You only believe it when you see it. Trust me. Go to Ravenshead and you'll find out.
Where are they? Nice shot.
Whoever that was, I'll give you one thing, he shot one bullet and instantly killed me. Honestly, I completely ate shit in that whole situation. Nice shot, mate. Honestly, if you're the same guy, how the fuck are you this good?
Worth a try.
Yeah, before you ask, I completely missed everything.
That looked cool. We got right on fucking aft.
Dramatic barrel smash.
Hit. I got domed like 3 times. You got infinite respawn, just push in. No, start up back. Just walk in, fuck it. Gangster style. I can see him. Woo.
Push up. 10 dead. Push up. Push up 10. Oh, 10.
Got him.
Go that side, the front or back?
Back.
Back to the back.
I'll trade that.
Good man.
If you're wondering why I keep switching between cameras, it's because I'm using my phone at the moment, as I've only got one GoPro, and my phone loves to randomly stop recording. I love it, yay! And that's why it keeps flickering that to the, I want to get a new one, just next pay type shit.
You're clicking the boot button.
One of us at the back down here. Throw the lead down.
How many's left?
Fuck yeah.
Kill!
Oh! Is that faster to kill on me? Oh fuck it, I'll take it anyway, I was close to it. I don't know if you got me, I took it anyway.
That's my fault, guys. Come on, Yellow, push in!
Oh, there they are. Hey, you bastard! Straight on Pinky! Oh!
I'll come back and say it.
We'll just both push in as quick as we can. Yeah?
Once you push it down that right side and get that down.
Yeah, he's got a good fucking accuracy, he does.
I thought you already gone.
Fucking second time he sniped me in the fucking pinky.
Yeah, fuck it. Yep.
2 kills!
Ready. Hit! Nice shot! Got me right on fucking Pinky, you bastard.
Second top, the top behind this one in front of you.
I think in all, I got shot my pinky 3 times this fucking game.
I think that hit my gun. Yeah, that hit my gun. I'd take that though. Hit over, bro, cheeky bastard. I'm not gonna fucking stop.
Keep getting my ass blasted every time I tried pushing AK because he had it that good reinforced. I'm not gonna stop.
On the right side.
I was just about to push that down.
Nice shots, by the way, guys.
Thank you.
Hit.
Yeah, after that, the game was concluded. We managed to push them. It's not really a win because I don't think there's a time period on this. But yeah, we managed to push them all out. And on defense, we did pretty good. I don't think we did as good as the enemies. But I didn't get a lot of footage. The only footage I've got is this one I am showing on the screen. And it's them pushing us and thrashing us. But yeah, it was an amazing game. Honourable mention to this kid. Got some pretty sick dance moves, and what's it called? Yeah, I had an amazing day. Absolutely amazing day, and I hope you all did too. If you saw me on the site, hello, the game was amazing. If you see me on Ravenshead furthermore in the future, feel free to say hello to me, and any feedback will be amazing. I'm trying to make these videos as best as I can to my ability, and any feedback, even if in the comments or in person, give it to me. Even if you want to say my videos are shit, just tell me. I want some feedback from Airsoft. But yeah, I'll leave you on this video of them pushing us, and goodbye, have a good one, and see you next time.